Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Today I have recorded this video specially to answer one question which has been asked in the video how to use the GeoGebra in the mobile. And the question is how to input the equations. Okay, so first of all, we will go to this settings. You can see where are these settings. I'm talking about this. This is the setting. So click on this, and when you click on this you will see here there is an option show axis. Open this. So take this toggle to the right, show grid. You will see the grid and the x-axis and the y-axis. Come back, and then you will notice by default we are accessing this feature. You will see that this is a circle and there is a triangle on it, and a horizontal line is indicating that we are selecting this. When we click on this, we see all these basic tools, right? So these are the basic tools which are available. So you can access. When you click on this, you can access these tools, right? Now adjacent to this, there is another icon. This is a calculator kind of a thing, and you need to click on this for input of the equations. Okay, so let us do that. So click on this. You will see this input box. This is the input box now, right? So let us see what happens when we write something here. So when you click on this, you will have an access of all these functions. So you see mathematical functions, commands, then algebra, chart, lots of stuff is there. So you can explore them one by one. The commands are given over here. And then when you input in this box, say for example, I need to get the graph of y is equal to x. So you need to just write x over here, and you see that this is the graph, right? And let me remove this. We don't want this. So cross. Go to this function feature, fx. You can plot the graph of, say for example, you want to plot y is equal to sine x. So you select this function, sine, then go to this text box, ABC. From here you can choose x, and you see this is the function, graph of the function, and you can talk about it. Okay, so easy to take up an equation over this place, and you can continue. Say for example, I need to have a graph of x plus 2, y is equal to x plus 2. How to go about this? So you need to come back to this 1 2 3 because symbols are there. So this is x plus 2. So you will see that this is how y is equal to x plus 2 will look like. Click on this arrow button. Then you see that this graph is there on the screen. Okay, at the same time, I need to plot y is equal to x, and then you can have a discussion on comparing the two graphs. Like these lines are parallel, so you can talk about it, or anything you wish to discuss with the students. You have the graph in front of you. Okay, so this is how easy it is to plot the graph on the GeoGebra in the mobile. So you wanted to know where is this input box. So I hope it's clear now. It is hidden here. Thank you so much.